Operating systems use drivers to communicate with your PC's hardware and devices. Having the proper drivers installed is essential to a smooth running system. Dell develops drivers so that the operating system on your PC can work with your Dell devices and other apps as designed. Without the proper drivers, any devices connected to your PC will not work as they should. Dell releases updates frequently because when you have the most up-to-date drivers, you are ensuring your hardware and devices work properly. You'll also be taking preventive measures to protect your PC. To download and update drivers, go to dell.com/support, enter your service tag, or click on Detect PC. Select Drivers and Downloads and click on Detect Drivers. Dell will analyze your system to find the latest updates. Follow the steps to check all drivers available to be updated. If you are looking for a specific driver, within the same page, confirm your operating system and use the drop-down menu for category to filter your. As an added check, you can use the device manager to find hardware that does not have any driver installed for it. This is indicated by an exclamation point inside a yellow triangle. We urge you to use the Dell support site for your downloads and updates, otherwise only download drivers from a trusted source or directly from the manufacturer's website, because installing the wrong drivers will cause issues to the system.